Next up, Shadow Company Intel for White Lotus. In this mission, we need to take the Shadow Company laptop from the second floor desk in the Ashika Science Center and extract with it. It's a super simple mission. So I'll head into Ashika Island with any gear really, and we'll just go for it. We need to find the Ashika Science Center. You can find this on the far west side of the map. Zooming in here, it's this H-shaped building here in E5. Inside of here, on the second floor, we'll find the laptop that we're looking for. Okay, so for getting the laptop on the second floor here, we'll need to head into the building, which of course is usually relatively quiet, but there could be some AI running around. We'll head upstairs here. And as you can see, I just picked up a laptop here. This is the mission for the laptop. All we need to do now is extract with it. As it does look like a normal laptop, you'll need to make absolutely sure that you don't sell it, but it is highlighted in blue. So keep that in mind. Now, all we need to do to finish off Shadow Company Intel is to simply extract. So with the laptop in my inventory, I'll head for any old extract. This one should definitely do. Now, there are many operators nearby, but we should escape in time. And there we go. So when we finish extracting, this should complete Shadow Company Intel for White Lotus. Awesome. So that's really about it for this super quick video. Thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.